Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's been a minute, but I think it's gonna be worth the wait. Got some big stuff going on for Rocky. You know, let's see. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's a precision. Ooh, it's precision turbo. That's only one of the two. Comes in a speed engineering kit, and I'm also going to put the Holley Terminator X Max on it. It's going to be sweet. I can't wait. So anyways, let's get going. So let's talk a little about the plans that I have so far. I'll get FIC 1000 injectors for it. You know, they say 900 horsepower capable on pump 83, which that's what I'm planning on right now. I do have E85 available, but I'm not really wanting to go full tilt right away. And plus it would only, you know, 600 horsepower is my goal. So E85 on that injector would be plenty. I have a Walbro 525 Hellcat pump I'm going to put in. We're going to go through that. First thing tonight, before I call today after getting it in the garage, is I'm going to pull the drive shaft. It still has the factory drive shaft on it. The slip yoke and the U-joint in the back on the on the axle has been upgraded already. I did that when I put the 4L80 in the truck, because you did have to upgrade the slip yoke from the 4L60. But other than that, it's still the factory steel drive shaft. And, you know, they like to, you know, kind of leave the chat above 100 miles an hour, and we really don't want that happening. Also have a Speed Engineering drive shaft hoop I'm going to put in just for a little extra safety. But, what y'all probably clicked on the video for, I bought the Speed Engineering twin turbo kit for my Silverado, and I am pumped, like through the roof. Initial impressions, like peeking in some of the boxes, I am very impressed. The weld quality on the X pipe looks amazing. All the cold side piping is already bead rolled. I was planning on buying a cheap set of linemen's, you know, lobbing the end off of it and using kind of the crimp to make my own roll bead, or I guess you bead roll, whatever you want to call it. But I mean, it's got $2,400 worth of turbos with the kit, and it's $3,500. So I'm still trying to figure out, you know, how they're making their money. A lot of money, anyways, because you know these companies like to make 100% profit. You know, if something costs $50, they want to charge $100. But right now, I'm blown away and I'm pumped. So a little more, less talking, and let's get the drive shaft out of this thing. Once I get all 4 bolts out, I like to just stick them back in. You can spin that cap out of the way, and then all you really got to do is just kind of pop her out of there. Oh, you got to watch that. Don't want to lose that. Yep. No, we need to make sure we don't lose these. Let's stick them right there, but that should... I should be able to just spin that out of the way like that. And that's as easy as just kind of, just pull it. There we go. So, let me get the camera. So the drive shaft's out of the transmission. Easy peasy. It's just an 11 millimeter. Take your 4 bolts out. This is my current drive shaft. It does have a Sonic's input shaft, or not input shaft, slip yoke. BS/14. This thing's been on there for a while now, but the shop I'm taking it to is Republic Diesel up in Louisville, Kentucky. And probably, I don't know what they're going to recommend, but I'm guessing it's going to be an aluminum drive shaft. So, excuse me, the dirt and dust underneath my truck really choked me up. Shoo. All right. So, all right, I'm up here at Republic Diesel. I just dropped off the drive shaft, my original drive shaft. Talked him over. Guy seemed really knowledgeable. You know, he kind of acted like a thicker wall steel tube been fine, but I'm kind of in the buy once, cry once deal right now, especially with all this kit, and I sprung for the 4-inch aluminum. He said it should hold quite a bit of power. He said they're putting them on pulling trucks and such, so I should be okay. Take them about a week, but I'm excited. I am excited. Well, it's been a good little first part to the twin turbo install. Got a little bit done, you know, in this video, but man, I'm excited. All right, well, God bless you.